Hey guys, we're up here in Aberdeen, Washington. Wanted to talk to you about ridge vent real quick. We're replacing a small section of ridge vent right here that had some damage, so we're just gonna replace that real quick, but thought it was a good opportunity to show you ridge vent and how it works. You can see along the top of the roof here at the peak, there's a slit cut out of the ridge here. This is gonna allow air from the attic space to exhaust and keep it cool in the attic. All roofs need to be vented. Box vents or cap vents, if you will, are probably more common, the little boxes you see on the top of the roof. In this case, ridge vent's an alternative to that. And as you can see, the slit runs all along the ridge. There is a shingle vent too, is what we're using here. And you can see a plastic piece that covers over that gap and protects it, but it still has slits cut in the side right here that allows air to escape. And then we're gonna put shingles over top of that to make sure that the water, of course, sheds off from the top, goes down to the shingles below here and runs down the roof so that nothing gets inside there, so everything stays dry. But yeah, shingle vent to ridge vent is an alternative to your standard vents. There you go.